This is Minajal back with a new video, and today we are going to we are unboxing Shuer Se5222. So this is my new headset, and this is not a gaming headset, but it can work like a gaming headset. This is over-ear headphones. It is for Android. I think the graphics are awesome. I think the graphics are not good, so I have to tell in my mouth, from my mouth. So there is written noise isolating, and here is studio, and here written is tangle free, and here is inline mic. This mic is inline, not a rod. So if we look here, there is nothing but and here is holding for the unfolding, and here there are written the features: super comfortable, studio wide, and talk all day and hot. We can also fold it up, and then not resistant. And there is in this size. So let's unbox it quickly. So in here there is written, my face is coming, I have to hide it, sport beat, and here are some pictures. I don't know about them, so I have to hide my face. And here is written Shuer Se5222. So let's quick unbox it. I have to stand up. So we have opened it, and here is our headphones, or over-ear headphones. So we can fold it up, and we can also set it as our size. And this is the main thing, the microphone. This is used to talk in Fortnite, PUBG, and Apex and more. And this mic is also used for talking on phone, video calls, messengers. So this headphone is very good. It is much comfortable. If you come here, then these are much soft and comfortable, and the sound quality is also good. I hear it much well at it from. The musics are awesome. The sound quality is much good, better, I can say. So our video is like finishing quickly. Oh, and we can also fix it size. Oh, I need my two hands, and I am holding one hand. Oh, so how can I show you? Okay, I am trying. What I can do? Okay, so if I want to open it, we have to. I think I have a stand. So we have to. My finger fell down. What is happening, guys? What is happening? So we have to pull it like this. By this we can adjust the size. So if you like this video, then please drop a like, subscribe, comment, share. So thanks for watching, and as always, this is Minajal the Pro Gamer, Minajal the Gamer Soldier. Oh, I have changed my channel name, I didn't know that. Okay, and don't forget you are a pro.